take a look at this problem. We got 5 times x minus 4 is less than 2 times 3x minus 1. Now our first step in solving linear inequalities is get rid of parentheses. And we do that with the distributive property. So we're going to take 5 times x, and we'll take 5 times negative 4. We'll take 2 times 3x and 2 times negative 1. So 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Is less than 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Step 2, get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Step 3, get everything with an x on the left side. So I'll take this 6x and move it over to the left side, and numbers on the right side. So I take that negative 20 and move it over here. Now when you move anything across your inequality symbol, the sign changes. So the positive 6x becomes a negative 6x. The negative 20 becomes a positive 20. Now, at any step, combine like terms. 5x minus 6x is negative 1x. And negative 2 plus 20 gives us 18. Now our last step. Divide both sides by the number in front of your x. Well, number in front of our x is a negative 1, so I divide both sides by negative 1. Now whenever you divide both sides by a negative number, you flip your inequality symbol. So the less than becomes a greater than. So those negative ones cancel, and we got x is greater than 18 divided by negative 1 is negative 18. Now for interval notation, whenever you have a greater than, it's always going to positive infinity. And positive infinity always goes on the right side. Infinities you can never reach, so those have parentheses. And since there's no line underneath here, then this will be a parentheses. And let's see, is that the only thing they're asking? Okay, they wanted an interval notation. Just to go over some other topics. If you have a less than, let's say we got less than 5 in a different problem. Well, since it's less than, that's what goes to negative infinity. And negative infinity always goes on the left side. Now again, we can never reach infinity, so those have parentheses. Notice on this one, this has a line underneath. A line underneath means you put a bracket. So that's the two types you'll have. You'll have a greater than of some sort, which goes to positive infinity. You'll have a less than that goes to negative infinity.